In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages on Google Sites fast and easy. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sites more interactive and user-friendly by seamlessly connecting different pages, you're in the right place. Linking pages can enhance navigation, improving the user experience by allowing visitors to move through your content more efficiently. So let's jump right into it and simplify this process. First things first, let's head over to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and search for Google Sites in the search bar. You'll want to click on the very first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Sites Hub, where you can either create a new site or manage your existing ones. Now that you're on Google Sites, select the site you want to work on and click on it. This will bring you to the editing interface of your chosen site, where you can view and edit existing pages or work on new content. Once you've opened the correct site, it's time to choose the page you want to link from. Click on it to open the page. Now look through the text and decide on the word or words you wish to turn into a hyperlink. It could be a heading or a specific keyword related to the page you're linking to for clear navigation. Next, highlight the text you want to use as a link. After selecting the text, look at the toolbar above your content. You'll see several icons there, including the familiar link icon, which looks like a chain or link. Click on this Insert Link icon to begin the process of linking. A pop-up window will appear, providing you with a couple of options. In the drop-down menu, you can either select one of your existing site pages, which are automatically listed for convenience, or if you have a specific URL, perhaps an external page or a particular site page not shown in the list, you can paste this URL directly into the input box. After selecting or entering the URL, the last step is simplicity itself. Just click on the Apply button in the pop-up window. Your text should now be underlined or formatted differently, indicating that it's a clickable hyperlink. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully linked pages on your Google site. This will greatly help in ensuring visitors can navigate through your website with ease. Remember, you can always return to modify these links as your content evolves. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to explore further to make your Google Sites even more dynamic and accessible.